Hi children, today I am going to explain exercise 6.1. See here, write opposites of the following. Yes, here one word is there, that word, opposite word, you have to write the sentence. Okay. First one, increase in weight. This word, opposite word, increase, decrease in weight. Okay. Next, B, 30 kilometer north, 30 kilometer south. Next, 326 BC, 326 AD. Okay. Next, loss of Rs rupees 700, gain of or profit of rupees 700. Okay. Next, 100 meter above sea level, 100 meter below sea level. Understand this first mean? Opposite word you have to write and complete the sentence. Okay. Next, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Okay. Sign positive, negative. Okay. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Above word is there. Above means increasing. Increasing you have to represent that positive sign, increasing. Okay. See here, that one you have to write. Second main. First one, increasing 2000 above 2000 plus 2000 you have to write. Okay, above means you have to represent the sign, positive sign, above. Okay, 2000 meter plus 2000 meter. Understand? Okay. Next, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Below means we have to represent negative sign. Understand? 200, depth 800 meter. Understand? Okay. Next, see, a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit. We have to represent a sign positive. Deposit means you have to save some money. Okay, that sign you have to represent positive. Okay, rupees 200. Understand? Deposit means you have to represent positive. Next, withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means you have to take money. Some money you have to save, no? That there only you have to take money. That word you have to represent negative sign. Minus 700 rupees. Understand? Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Understand? Above, deposit mean you have to represent positive sign, and below, withdrawal means you have to represent negative sign. Next, represent the following numbers on a number line. Okay, first one plus 5 is there. Third main A plus 5. Yes, first you have to draw one number line. Positive number is there. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, see here, positive sign 0, you have to jump from 0 to right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here plus 5. Understand? Okay, remaining B, D, E, B, C, E, you have to B, C, D, E. Numbers are there. You have to draw a number line and represent these numbers. Okay. Next. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. Okay. See here, children. They given one number line here. Yes. 02 plus 8 and 02, some numbers are there and alphabets are there. See here, above, upside positive numbers, downside negative numbers are there. According to this figure, they are asking some questions. See here, first one, if point D is plus 8, yes, if point D is plus 8, see here, point 8, which alphabet represent? D. Okay. Next, then which point is minus 8? See here, 0 to downside you have to count. Minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8, which alphabet they represent? F. Understand? F alphabet. Understand? This type you have to solve. See here. One more question. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? See here. Upside positive integers and downside negative integers are there. G point which side? Which integer? Negative integer. Understand? Okay. Remaining problems you have to solve. C, D, E. Okay. Next. See here, children. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Okay, places and temperatures are there. Write the questions are there. See here. Siachen temperature you have to read 100 degrees Celsius, below 0 degree Celsius. Simla 2 degrees Celsius, below 0 degree Celsius. Okay. See here. First question A. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Okay. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Okay. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay. See here. Plot the name of the city against its temperature, which is the coolest place, and write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. See here, children. First you have to write this one, you have to write in integers. 10 degrees Celsius below. Below means you have to write negative sign, degrees Celsius. Understand? Below, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Above, plus 30 degree Celsius. Understand? 20 degrees Celsius. Above, plus 20 degree Celsius. Next, 5 degree Celsius. 5 degree below, minus 5 degree Celsius. Understand? Next, following is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. See here, minus 10, see here, 100 degree Celsius, Siachen. You have to write this like, okay, -2, see here, in middle, 1, 2, here, -2, yes, -2. Next, Ahmedabad, 30 degree, here, Ahmedabad. Next, Delhi, +20, Delhi, yes. Next, Srinagar, -5, here, Srinagar. Understand? Next, plot the name of the city against its temperature. Above number line you have to represent the degree Celsius, and also you have to write places here, represent. Okay, next, see question. Which is the coolest place? Which is the coolest place? Which one is less? There only coolest place. Yes, -10 degree Celsius below temperature, Siachen. Yes. Next, write the names of the places where temperature above 10 degrees Celsius. Above 10 degrees Celsius, which? Ahmedabad and Delhi. Understand? Okay. 5 questions you had to complete today. Okay. If any doubt, ask me. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Thank you.